Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I decided to share another what I eat in a day video. So here I'm making my breakfast, which is oatmeal with almond milk, and I typically put in a little bit of fruit, and on this particular day I'm using banana, and I added walnuts, also stevia, and a little bit of cinnamon, and then that's it for breakfast. For lunch, I decided to make one of my favorite soups, and that's Zuppa Toscana. Zuppa Toscana. But this is everything you'll need. A detailed listing will be in the description box below. So I'm just slicing up my potato and my onions. Okay, so now I'm cooking my sausage. I'm just taking the sausage out of their casing, throwing that away, and cooking the sausage. I'm adding in a little bit of garlic and red pepper flake. And half of the onions that I chopped up. And then once that's all done, you want to drain the sausage mixture and then layer your potatoes in the crock pot or a pan, a pot. And then put in your sausage, onion mixture, and then the remaining onions. And if you want to season it a little more, it's up to you. You would add in your chicken stock and then stir it up. And then let that cook for about 3.5 hours on high. And then after the 3.5 hours, that's when we want to put in our cream. And here I have baby kale, but you can use spinach, you can use kale, whatever you prefer. And I'm also adding in mushrooms. So then you would just stir this up and put the top back on and let it cook for another 30 minutes, and then it's ready to eat. And you can add any topping that you like, Parmesan cheese, bacon bits, anything like that. I just choose not to. And then here I'm having a snack. So I'm having mini sweet peppers and a few grapes. And then I just have a little salad dressing to dip the peppers in. Now for dinner, I forgot to record that part, but I had baked salmon, baked sweet potato, and green beans, and it was very good. Oh, and I also had red wine. Hey, 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 hey. But it was very good.